this video, I will show you what to do. If the brake pads on the Ford Focus 3 are constantly squeaking and sticking. On my Ford Focus 3, the brake disc on the front left wheel suddenly started squeaking while driving. The wheel didn't completely lock up. I got home, but the problem needs to be solved because it's impossible to travel with such a list. The wheel is stuck, so I have to struggle to take it off. Let's remove the brake pad retaining spring, putting on a double-sided Be careful, it pops out. We remove the two rubber bushings from the guide mounts, calipers. And after that, using a washer, we unscrew the caliper guide bolts. This is the guide. The one at the bottom. It also needs to be unscrewed.
This is the guide, and it needs to be perfectly clean.
After this, carefully remove the caliper. I prepared a bucket so as not to stretch the brake hose. And we take out the pads, overlays, still almost. They're not worn out, but the caliper has already started to stick. We need to figure out what the problem is. Now you need to squeeze the caliper slightly and check how it works. Is there a lot of resistance? For this, I'll take a clamp and I'll compress it slightly. You compress the caliper with the clamp all the way. It moves easily. So, it's working fine. Let's lightly clean these areas using a small file. After removing the buildup from the metal and dirt, and after that, we take an old toothbrush to clean with gasoline, and we'll clean the connection well. In this place where the pads move, because they are very dirty in these areas. So they can stick in the front and back in order to ensure that they properly adhere securely. And after that, we'll clean the contact points with the calipers of the pads. Right here, right here. Here you can see signs of wear. If you have a new pad, then you don't need to do this. In such position, the pads will move easily along the caliper guide. I will rinse the pads with regular hot water. After that, we wash off the dirt well. Caliper, guides, also with the help of gasoline and a brush. Now we can put them back in place. And after that, we take a special paste for calipers from the company, Mannol 9896, and apply it to the brake pad guide. You need to apply some grease in this spot. Not too much, so that they don't get stuck. And you can put the brake pads back in their place. The thing is to ensure the grease doesn't get on the pads. We install it right here and we ensure it is done correctly. To secure it, and we place it in position, caliper. After this, we lubricate the caliper guides with the same paste. Generously. Excess grease will remain on the outer part of the rubber. And we screw them back into place. And we put the protective caps for the caliper guides back in place, at the top and bottom. We put the leaf spring back in place. And we check caliper's function. You can see that the caliper is now moving smoothly. Now we can check how the wheel is working. It's clear that the wheel has stopped squeaking. The pad is releasing well, and the caliper is working without any issues. And we put the wheel back in place.